what I've got here is walking down the fence line, and I seen a mountain lion tearing down that fence line right there. So I come back around and I see this kill site here. A pretty fresh kill. It's interesting, this lion, I've seen a few of them in my life and they tend to leave a lot of meat, but this lion has literally stripped that deer, and I'm not sure if any other predator at all has been here. Right down to those two ears laying there. Ain't that interesting? But that lion is utilizing that deer, every last piece of it. One less buck that'll grow up on the 13B Arizona Strip right there.